In front of me is Honor Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it, tap on this icon at the top left corner to make all of those icons visible. Now to access more Clipboard settings, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those however you want to. Just make sure that Remember Copied Items option is on. To add anything to your clipboard from those settings, click Add a new clip, create it, and select Save at the bottom right corner of New Clip pop-up. To delete it, swipe it to the right, and to pin it, use this pin at the top right corner of it. You can unpin it the same way. Now to use your clipboard from Keyboard, you need to launch it, then copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and paste it by tapping on it here. You can delete your sentences the same way and also pin them or unpin them thanks to this icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!